This is Sunday and we have another week update with all the important news of your beloved diecast hobby. And we begin with two new Hot Wheels for 2023. We discovered two new cars that will be available on 2023 Mix A. First of them is the Escort RS 2000, a very popular car from England. And we see it here with a body kit with different wheels, because this is a racing Escort or maybe a drift Escort. Anyway, it will have a red edition version for Target stores in the United States. Another car is the Nissan Patrol, a new one with turbos and maybe for hill climbing in Midwest. This one will be available on 2023 Mix A. 2022 Mix Q is already in Malaysia, and I did a video showing all the cars of this case, so you can find it here on this card right on top of my head. There's some new ones like the new Lotus Emira, it's a new car, and the new Thunderbird Pro Street. It's a great mix, and I know that you love to see all these contents. We also discovered the next Car Culture 2-pack. It will be available on Target stores soon, and it has some great pairs like the two Lamborghinis, including two European racing cars with BMW M1 Pro Car. It's an old Car Culture 2 and we didn't saw it very much. It is with a Lancia racing car that we saw before on Boulevard or Car Culture series. And the third pair, it's a vintage racing American cars with a Ford Torino Talladega and a Chevelle. The three pairs are great and they will be available soon on Target stores, so stay tuned. We also discovered a new box with 5 Fast and Furious premium cars. They are all repeats. There's no new car, no new wheels, no new nothing on this box. It's just a box with 5 loose cars from that series. So we can expect new cars from Fast and Furious Premium in 2023 or by December of 2022. There's a new movie coming from Fast and Furious series next year, and Mattel will release a lot of new cars and products from Fast and Furious series. And we will have all the news and info for you soon here, as soon as we can find out more. There's also a new partnership with Delorean. Delorean is now building some electric cars, some different electric cars like an SUV, like a sport car and a sedan and a lot of cars. Nothing to do with the classic Delorean you saw in the 80s. But some of them has going doors. Maybe that's the one thing that can link to the classic car. So Mattel did a partnership with them, and now you can go to mattelcreations.com site and buy a box with a new DeLorean car and an old DeLorean car. So it's up to you to buy them. It's a pre-order and you should receive it in 2023 or I don't know. And the last news I have, it's nobody saw that until now. You're seeing now for the first time. It's a new 67 Camaro. It's an iconic car for Hot Wheels, and it's a commemorative edition for the Red Line Club, because it's making 20 years now in 2022. And it will be available soon on Mattel Creations site for Red Line Club members, and you can buy this Camaro for Red Line Club 20th anniversary. So it's the first time you're seeing here, and Mattel should release more news about that, prices and how you can buy that soon. So these were the news I had for you this week, and I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and leave your comment here so I will know if these English videos are going good or not. So for any doubts or comments, please leave it here and keep watching my videos. And I promise if you like this one, I will make more content in English. Thank you again, and I see you soon.